A builder in Tennessee got two quotes for the same barndominium. Same square footage, same land, same finish level. The single-story quote came in at $380,000. The two-story quote came in at $440,000. He chose the two-story, and 6 months later told his contractor it was the best $60,000 he ever spent. Not because of the extra space, because the two-story gave him 4,800 square feet on a footprint that would have delivered 2,400 single-story. He doubled his living space for 15% more money. But here is what the quote did not show him, and what this video is going to show you. That $440,000 was the construction cost. The total project cost was $612,000. Every line item, every two-story premium, every variable that moves the number. The complete realistic budget from the first equipment rental to the last coat of paint. That is what this video covers. Stay through the foundation section, because the two-story barndominium's relationship with its slab is different from anything a single-story requires, and most builders do not find that out until after the footings are dug. What makes a two-story barndominium cost different? Before the numbers, one structural reality needs to be on the table. A two-story barndominium is not a single story with a second floor added on top. It is a fundamentally different engineering proposition, designed vertically from the foundation up, with every structural element calculated for the load of two occupied floors above a concrete slab. Both post-frame and steel frame systems can support two stories, but they must be engineered for it from the start. Retrofitting a single-story barndominium later to support another floor can be complex and expensive. If the current building was not designed for additional load, reinforcement will likely be needed. This matters for cost because it means the two-story premium is not just a staircase and some extra drywall. It is a different structural specification running from the foundation to the ridge, and every contractor quote that does not reflect that is not a real two-story barndominium quote. Now the numbers. The baseline, what a two-story barndominium costs per square foot. In most of the United States today, a fully finished barndominium runs $115 to $365 per square foot. A more typical finished build with upgraded selections falls in the $125 to $185 range. For a two-story barndominium specifically, the per square foot cost sits at the upper end of that range, not because two-story is inherently more expensive per square foot, but because the structural complexity, the staircase, the floor joists, and the second-level HVAC requirements all add to the total cost in ways that push the average upward. In rural Texas, the dominant barndominium market in the country, two-story finished barndominiums with mid-range selections typically run $120 to $165 per square foot for the living area. Upper finish builds with premium window packages and full general contractor management reach $165 to $220 per square foot. The reference build for this video is a two-story barndominium at 3,600 square feet, 1,800 square feet per floor. Ground floor carrying the workshop bay, great room, kitchen, and one-bedroom suite. Upper floor carrying 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a loft. This is the most commonly built two-story barndominium configuration for families in the current market. The two-story premium, what you are paying extra for. Compared to a single-story barndominium of equivalent square footage, the two-story configuration adds cost in 6 specific places. The foundation. A two-story barndominium transfers the load of 2 floors, their occupants, their furniture, and their systems down through the steel frame and into the slab. That load path requires a thicker slab and more robust engineered footings than a single story of the same footprint. Most barndominiums are built on concrete slab foundations, costing $6 to $14 per square foot. On a two-story, the engineered specification and load requirements push foundation costs toward $10 to $14 per square foot, adding $3,000 to $6,000 over a comparable single-story slab on the same footprint. The structural engineering. Two-story homes generally require more structural engineering, a stronger foundation, and additional materials for stairs, railings, and floor joists. These elements increase total build cost. Structural engineering drawings for a two-story barndominium run $3,000 to $8,000 for buildings under 5,000 square feet. Single-story engineering drawings for the same footprint run $1,500 to $4,000. The two-story premium, $1,500 to $4,000 in engineering fees alone. The floor joists and second-floor decking. The second floor of a two-story barndominium is a structural assembly, engineered floor joists spanning between steel columns, supporting the subfloor, the finished flooring, the walls, and every person and piece of furniture that occupies the upper level. This assembly costs $8,000 to $18,000 depending on span widths and the specification of the joist system. A single-story barndominium has no equivalent cost. The staircase. A functional staircase in a barndominium ranges from $3,000 for a basic steel stringer with wood treads to $15,000 for a custom open riser design with cable railing. It is not just a designed element, it is a structural element with load requirements, building code compliance, rise and run specifications, and handrail and guardrail standards that must be met for occupancy approval. Budget $5,000 to $12,000 for a staircase that is both code compliant and aesthetically appropriate for the build. The HVAC zoning. Warm air rises. In a two-story barndominium with a single-zone HVAC system, the upper floor runs warmer in summer and the ground floor runs cooler in winter. The solution is a two-zone system, one zone per floor, independently controlled thermostats, separate ductwork circuits. A two-zone system costs $10,000 to $20,000 installed. A single-zone system for a comparable single-story footprint runs $7,000 to $14,000. The two-zone premium, $3,000 to $6,000. The exterior wall height. A two-story barndominium has twice the exterior wall height of a single story. That means more steel framing, more siding, more insulation, and more labor on the exterior walls. On a 40 by 60 foot footprint with 20-foot sidewalls on a two-story, exterior wall framing and siding costs run $15,000 to $30,000 more than the same footprint with 10-foot single-story walls. Total two-story structural premium over an equivalent single-story, $48,500 to $84,000. Call the midpoint $60,000, which is exactly the gap the Tennessee builder saw between his two quotes and exactly why that gap was legitimate. The full line item breakdown. 3,600 square foot, two-story. Here is every cost category at 2026 rates for a mid to upper finish level in rural Texas. Steel shell and framing. The structural package, columns, girts, purlins, roof panels, exterior siding for a 3,600 square foot two-story barndominium. $55,000 to $110,000 for materials. Erection by an experienced crew, $20,000 to $45,000. Total shell, $75,000 to $155,000. Foundation. Engineered slab for a two-story load requirements on a 40 by 60 foot footprint, $28,800 to $50,400. Second floor assembly. Engineered floor joists, subfloor decking and blocking, $8,000 to $18,000. Staircase. Code-compliant steel stringer with wood treads and cable railing, $5,000 to $12,000. Roofline. Standard gable roof on a two-story barndominium is actually simpler than an H shape, one continuous ridgeline. Metal roofing materials and installation, $18,000 to $36,000. Windows and doors. A two-story barndominium benefits significantly from upper floor windows that capture views unavailable from the ground floor. A standard window package runs $12,000 to $22,000. A premium package with floor-to-ceiling ground floor glazing and upper floor view windows, $25,000 to $48,000. Insulation. Closed-cell spray foam on all exterior wall surfaces, ground floor and upper floor, plus the roof deck, $16,000 to $30,000. HVAC, 2 zones, $10,000 to $20,000 installed. Electrical. 2-story barndominium with workshop bay and full residential above, $15,000 to $30,000. Plumbing. 1 ground floor bathroom plus the primary suite, 2 upper floor bathrooms, laundry, $18,000 to $38,000. Interior finishes, drywall, flooring, cabinetry, fixtures. The same warning that applies to every barndominium configuration applies here. This line item is where over 70% of budget overruns occur. On a 3,600 square foot 2-story with mid to upper selections, $65,000 to $155,000. Exterior finishing, porch, deck, or balcony, grading at entry, $12,000 to $28,000. Note, upper floor balconies are a defining feature of 2-story barndominium design and add $8,000 to $18,000 to this line item when specified. Total construction cost for the 3,600 square foot 2-story. Mid-range finish, $400,000 to $520,000. Upper finish with premium windows, balcony, and full GC, $520,000 to $680,000. This is the number that appears in the contractor quote. Now, the number that does not. Site development, the number your quote is missing. If you watched the H-shaped barndominium cost video, you already know what is coming. If this is your first time here, this is the most important section of the video. Site development costs $40,000 to $75,000 on a typical rural property. Not $5,000, not $15,000, $40,000 to $75,000, and it does not appear in a single contractor's construction estimate. Land clearing and grading, $4,000 to $20,000. Driveway from the county road to the building site, $14,000 to $36,000 depending on distance. Electrical hookup, $1,500 to $7,500. Water well, $16,500 to $32,000. Septic system, $3,500 to $18,000. Soil engineering, $200 to $500. The builder in Tennessee who called his $60,000 2-story premium the best money he spent, his site development cost was $58,000. He knew it was coming because he had planned for it. His neighbor, building a single-story next door, did not plan for it. Same county road, same land type, same septic requirement. His neighbor's build was delayed 4 months waiting for a bridge loan to cover the site development gap. The configuration does not protect you from the site development problem. Planning does. Professional fees. Architectural plans for a 2-story barndominium from a qualified designer, $2,000 to $7,000, more than single-story equivalent plans because the second floor layout, the stair placement, and the structural coordination require additional design work. Structural engineering, $3,000 to $8,000. Permit fees, $1,500 to $8,000 depending on county. General contractor fee at 10 to 20% of construction, $40,000 to $136,000 on a mid to upper build. Total professional fees, $46,500 to $159,000. The complete 2-story budget. Construction, $400,000 to $680,000. Site development, $40,000 to $75,000. Professional fees, $46,500 to $159,000. Contingency at 20% of all three, $97,000 to $182,800. Total realistic project budget, $583,500 to $1,096,800. The midpoint, approximately $840,000, is the number a serious 2-story barndominium builder needs confirmed access to before purchasing land. The Tennessee builder's $612,000 total sat at the lower end of that range, a mid-finish rural build with a straightforward site, reasonable site development costs, and an experienced contractor who had built this configuration before. Is that number larger than you expected? Here is the context that makes it make sense. That $840,000 delivers 3,600 square feet of finished living space on a 40 by 60 foot print, 1,800 feet per floor, with a workshop bay, a covered porch, an upper floor balcony, and a staircase that becomes the architectural centerpiece of the interior. The equivalent single story to deliver 3,600 square feet of living space requires a footprint of approximately 60 by 60 feet. 3,600 square feet of foundation, 3,600 square feet of roof, and significantly more land consumed. The two-story is not cheaper, but when you calculate what it costs per square foot of living space delivered on the same footprint, the math changes, and the Tennessee builder understood that math before he signed anything. 3 questions that protect your budget. Has your contractor built a 2-story barndominium before? Not a 2-story house, a 2-story barndominium. The structural engineering of the second-floor assembly in a steel frame barndominium is different from wood frame residential construction. Ask for completed 2-story barndominium references specifically. Is your second-floor HVAC a 2-zone system from day one? A single-zone system on a 2-story barndominium is a daily comfort problem that costs more to fix after move-in than it costs to specify correctly at installation. Budget the 2-zone system as a fixed cost, not an upgrade. Have you accounted for site development as a separate budget line item before your construction loan approval? The site development gap has delayed more 2-story barndominium builds than any structural or design factor. Know the number before you buy the land. The Tennessee builder is in his barndominium now. The upper floor is his children's, the ground floor is his, the primary suite on one end, the great room and kitchen at the center, the workshop behind. He is not on the same floor as his teenagers at 11 p.m. The views from the upper floor balcony across the Cumberland Plateau are something a single story on that land could never deliver. He paid $612,000 for it. He planned for $612,000. That is not luck. That is 4 numbers in one budget document before anything was signed. Subscribe, because the next video covers the 2-story barndominium design flaw that shows up after move-in that builders see in finished 2-story barndominiums consistently, and that the floor plan inspiration content never addresses. That video will protect the investment, this one quantified.